morning. This is Sonal Araskar from SYCO2, currently studying in Zeal Polytechnic. Our today's subject is software engineering, and the topic is SRS on a mobile application. First of all, learning about an SRS of a mobile application, we should know what is an SRS. An SRS is System Required Specification Document. It is specific for a software product, program, or a set of applications that perform particular functions in a specific environment. It serves several goals depending on who is writing it. First, the SRS could be written by the client of the system. Second, the SRS could be written by the developer of the system. The two methods create entirely various situations and establish different purposes for the document altogether. The first case SRS is used to define the needs and the expectations of the user, and the second case SRS is written for the various purposes and serves as a contract document between the customer and the developer. So what's our agenda for doing a mobile application? Currently, there are plenty of apps that can track your workout and show the current process. However, very few apps demonstrate how the exercise is to be done. We will develop a mobile application based on an Android operating system. The motivation for this project came from the group meeting, and we discussed all the project options available to us. The gym project idea resonated with the team as it was applicable to each other's daily lives. The main objective of a project is to create an app which enables the user to effectively lose weight, or gain muscles in a sustainable manner, with clear and concise plan and the videos. What is the purpose of this SRS? The purpose of our SRS is to outline the usage and the implementation of the app. And the app is mainly used for the losing weight, and or gaining muscles. Our app will help them by showing some videos, by giving some diet plans, and etc. The app will initially take some inputs from the user, whether he or she is interested in losing, maintaining, gaining muscles, and some extra information regarding the same. Further, the app keeps track of the workout and the diet maintained by the user and gives him a score to access his discipline. There are no apps which address all these issues. Further, there are different apps for diet control and schedule maker. One has to install many apps to meet one unique goal. In addition to the suggesting the workouts, the gym app also plans a schedule where every day's diet and videos are related as the same are conveyed. What is functional analysis? Functional analysis divides a system into smaller parts called functional elements, which describes what we want each part to do. There are the 5 points I have noted down. The application will able to record exercises, repetitions, and the diet followed. The application will able to suggest the videos, diet, and schedule them on the calendar. The application will be able to track the running activity of the user and convert them into the calorie burn. The application will be able to score the user globally to motivate the user, and the application will be work offline low data mode also. Operational scenario is a description of an imagined sequence of events that include the interaction of the product. First time enrollment is a part of this scenario. First, the user opens the application. Second, the user enrolls the name and the personal details about him or her. Third, the user chooses if he or she wants to lose, maintain, or gain muscles. Fourth, the user will able to give it a choice whether he or she is interested in shaping up a specific body part or a whole body activity. User will be asked for whether he or she is beginner, intermediate, pro, so that the application designs a video based on the inputs. Based on the user information, the sorts application maps the video, diet, and sorts them according to the schedule. Application finally suggests a plan. There are many daily activities that a user can enroll with the gym app. User can look at the video schedule for the day and follow the mentioned workouts. At the end of the day, user will be accounting for his all daily activities. Some of them will be automated while doing the activity itself. The others, like diet, are accounted at the end of the day. User is trusted to during the process for the use successful schedule. The application gives a score for the day and suggests or reschedules the plans based on the daily activities. Further, a global score is provided to the user to motivate him. What are the other features of this app? This app will receive feedbacks from the user and will make changes according to this app. Second, the application will not disclose any personal information to the other users. Third, the user will be reminded by the built-in alarm app about this workout or schedule. Fourth, the demo of using this app should be available during the first time access only. Testing of this application. The application will be tested by the university. A university with professors and students with sufficient male and female users will form a diverse test case. Users will be allowed to use the app for a month, where they input their daily activities and rate the videos. The app will update suggesting based on the feedback of the user in the span of testing period. An app review will be taken at the end of the testing duration, and malfunctioning and crashes of the app will be noted and sorted out. During the process, server functioning and algorithm will be evaluated. Further, during the testing stage, user will be allowed to suggest on what else would make the app better. This is a sample use case. The first diagram shows how the user will interact with the apps like schedule, videos, how the diet plan is going, how the ranking is, and the privacy of the user. Second, the case is application case. In this, application will interact with video database with mapping algorithm, global rankers, privacy and the security of the user, and updation of this app. Hence, we learn about the SRS of a gym mobile application. How is it useful for the user? What will be the benefits by them? What will be the daily activities? Then privacy and many more things about the mobile application.